Here's a 2018 Toyota Camry. Bold, reliable, efficient. If these are adjectives you'd use to describe yourself, then this Camry is the perfect fit for you. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Smart device navigation, smartphone wireless charging, manual tilting steering column, wireless phone connectivity, manual telescoping steering column, inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. Of the Camry, Edmunds.com highlights the comfortable and spacious interior with above-average rear seat space, good visibility, and user-friendly interior controls. Comfortable, convenient, quality. Toyota. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today.
At Westchester Toyota Scion, located near Westchester, New York, and our Westchester Toyota Scion website. Call, click, or stop in today.